afternoon or evening, depending where you're at in the world today. Welcome back to Thumper's Lockpicking. Boy, I'm telling you what, I've had a hell of a job not picking this, but this is going to be my third or fourth try. My camera just keeps on messing up. I don't know if it's time for a new camera. I've gone over it and deleted everything I can out of it so I can make videos. So this is going to be the lock I'm going to try picking for the last time. Well, I have got to pick it. I mean, it's not that a jinx of a lock. So, I mean, if it doesn't take this time, it might be a while before I make another video. I'll have to get another camera. This is a NU-SET kind of interesting lock. It's beautiful. Sent by Mr. Paradise. Very unusual shape. Really, really, really nice. I really like this lock. Thank you, Mr. Paradise. And I'm going to be using my Folly set. Beautiful set. Pick set. I think you guys have seen this before. I got those little bags in the back there just to keep the moisture out. You know, something else to put in my kit, huh? Alright, let me close this up. I got the pick picked out. No pun intended. I'm going to be using, I think this is the tensioner I need to use. And I'm going to have to back this out a little bit. Sure am. Okay. Let's get this in here. Okay. And I think I did. Yeah. Okay, get my big hand out of the way. Gotta do a reach around. Alright, let's see if we can get this thing accomplished today. Gonna use my Follies number 4. And at the top, gotta click on 1. Click out of 2. Little moving out of 3. Nice click out of 4. 5. I think there's only, that might be 6. You see, I didn't even count. Let me see. Yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Alright, beginning. One feels alright. Nice click out of 2, double click there. 3 feels good. 4. There we go. And 5. Nice click on 5. A little movement there. I'm going to turn it a little bit more. I'm sorry. I didn't realize that you couldn't see. Get in there. It's hard to reach around this camera like this. One. Nice one on 2, a little bit of movement. 3, a little bit of movement. 4, same thing. Counter rotation. Gotcha, baby. Woo-hoo. Oh, wait a minute. I wasn't surprised by getting it quick. I've only picked it a dozen times. Let's just see if it works out and getting it on camera. Um, Boy, that's a short one for me. Get this in camera. Let's get this taken apart real quick. I almost blew it. I was going to end it there. Okay. Here's where my time gets eaten up. Let's see if I could do this fast. God, I gotta start hitting that wire. Come on. There you go. Alright, well, I locked it back up, but that's no big deal. Okay, the next thing I had to do is pull this clip off. Come on. God, darn it. Am I still going? Yeah. Now I gotta get it reset. Hang on a minute, guys. I'm so sorry. Working with this damn broken camera stand that I don't know. I just don't want to put any more money into this right now. If I click it too much, I'm gonna go. Alright, I'll just try it there. Sorry about that. You know, I really wrenched that clip out. Alright, we got the clip. Thank God. Now, there's a set screw. Alright. I don't have one of those short blocks that go in there. I'm just gonna have to go with a regular follower. Let me get this to the end. Okay. Let me get this. Come on, don't fall my hand slipping. All right. One. 1, standard. 2, standard. 3, they're all standards, if I remember right. Yeah, standard and a standard. All right. Oh, definitely nothing done to the core focus. Okay. Yeah, I got to get me one of those small barrel ones with the, so I could take this apart easy. I got some full Euro locks I'm hesitating to do right now because I don't have the right tool. Don't want to cut them in half. Whoa, that one's come out of there. Nice tight steel spring. Same thing too, standard. I believe all the springs are going to be the same. They're all going to be standards. Yep. And last one. Got that. All right. I did it. Please, camera, turn out. All right, let me give you a close-up what we got going. Hell with that. Bottom pins, they're all standard. 1, 2, looks like it's upside down. 3, 4, 5. Different lengths, but they're all standard. Same with the top pins, just small little barrel pins. I've got to change that. I mean, gotta have to put some long and short ones and mix them up a little bit. And those are the springs. And there we have it. NU-SET. Really, really nice lock. I like it. All right. Thanks, Mr. Paradise. Appreciate it. Hit that like and subscribe button. Tell a friend. And don't put your pics in anyone else's locks unless you have explicit permission. Thanks, guys. I'm gone.